Hey y'all, I'm thetianaalexandra and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve my silk press at home on my natural hair. Yes, because you can do it yourself, honey. So if you're out there and you want to know how I get these results from the comfort of my home, keep watching. So I'm about 2.5 weeks into my silk press and she's looking oily. I got some dandruff in the front and then this new growth is curling up my roots. So we gotta wash that out, but she looks good though. And I'm gonna use my Healthy Scalp Clarifying Shine shampoo from Neutrogena that I used to use when I was locked, and it works. And then I follow up with my Herbal Essence Sulfate Honey shampoo, and then I follow up with my conditioner from the same brand. So this is what it looks like when I am doing my conditioning treatment with Herbal Essence conditioner. The curls have come back for the most part. I have little tiny heat damaged parts here and there, but I ain't worried about all that. So right here, I'm showing y'all where the heat damage is, and I be turning that little part of my hair up. I'm not wearing it curly. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about convenience and straightening it, so I'm cool. Now I'm going to take my Mielle leave-in conditioner and I'm going to use about this much. Rub that in my hands and rub that in my hair. I apply it section by section because it needs to be fully saturated on each strand. And then I like to go in with my Chi Silk Infusion, just a little nickel-sized amount, and I rub that in as well and clip that away. And I start my blow drying process with this round brush. Now this wasn't my favorite at first, but I'm really starting to like this blow dryer. I like to go under and over when I'm using this. Just wait for it. Y'all gonna see the magic of it. Now that the back is done, look at that. You see that movement? If it's not moving like that, you gotta start over. It's not clean enough. You put too much product on somewhere. And now we're going to get that front. So let's just get that done. And I honestly could really leave my hair just blown out like this, but the blunt ends kind of make it like, okay, girl, you need to do a little something to it. So maybe when it gets longer, I'll just blow it out and I'll just leave it at that. But this works so good and my hair has gotten so straight. You see that? Yes. And look at the movement. Now I'm sectioning it off because we have to start flat ironing. I'm going in with my Babyliss Pro flat iron and it is set to 45, which I believe is 450 degrees. And yes, I need to have it up that high, at least for the back. Now for the front, it's a different story. I usually do about 2 passes through my hair. The first time I just like to make sure I get the strands straight, and then the second time I go in and I kind of add a little bump at the end. You know, the little bump at the end that you used to cry to your mom about because you wanted your hair bone straight because you thought that little of an inch or a half or whatever millimeter was going to make your hair like look that much longer. Yeah, that. I'm not doing the chase method because I don't need to. The blowout was so good, it's doing the work for me. Do you see that movement? Do you see that shine? Yes, I can run my fingers through. Nothing is getting caught. We don't got no split ends going on or nothing like that, baby. Like, I'm in business. And now we're at the front. Now, when I get to the front, I really don't need to have it up that high because my hair is finer. And y'all see how hard I went on that edge part? That's why that shit is heat damaged now. I did not have to do that, but I don't know. And when I tell y'all this process doesn't take me long at all, like I'm so serious, y'all, it doesn't take a long time to do this at all. Now we're on to the last side. I was rocking a side part like last silk press, but I feel like I want to go back to the middle part because she's cute. And we're done. Do you see that shine? Do you see that body? Do you see that movement? Okay, look at that. Now I'm just showing y'all the shine, but I'm trying to get my middle part right. But do you see that? Oh my gosh, y'all. It's not oily at all. Like, she's fluffy, she's shiny, and this is the healthiest my hair has looked in a year. Thank you all for tuning into this video. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later, and I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I got you. Bye.